Day one you invest like $1,000, and after 3 months every day you make $544. It's not combined. It is something you're making every day. Hello guys, welcome back. How are you all? I hope you all are great. I hope you all are making passive money. And what's good is that today I have a free gift for you guys. A free gift in regards to WorldOTC. This WorldOTC is a sleeping giant. If you haven't started yet, it's not too late. Just get in now and it will go to the moon. Mark my words. It is so special that I have a separate playlist of WorldOTC. Just go to my channel. When you open my channel, go to this playlist section. Alright, in this playlist section you can see this WorldOTC videos, okay? And if you go to the first video, you will see my withdrawals, okay? You can see the dates and you can see the withdrawal that I am making, 500 each and every day. So, and go on and have a look at each and every one of them. You will see that this thing is paying great, this thing is making money, and this is a real deal, guys. And for you guys today I have a cheat sheet. Just look at here. So it's a 3-month cheat sheet for WorldOTC, and if it does not go for 3 months, you can have it for like a month or 2 and you can see how much it's gonna make. And just look at here. If you invest $1,000, okay, if you invest $1,000 after the end of round 1, which is first day $4, after end of round 2 you're gonna make $8, and 8th round, each round of 3 hours, and 8 rounds equal 24 hours. So after 24 hours you're gonna make a $32. Alright, so $32 first day. The next day you go in with $132, you make 4.13 in round 1, and the second day you make $33. Okay, so $32 first day, $33 second day, $34. If you go on, and if you go on till you can say day 16, okay, you have already made 1,400 bucks and you're making $45 each day. Okay, and the best part is you can withdraw this money whenever you want. And if you see on the right hand side, the last section, it is per day. Okay, so this is the money that you're gonna make per day. And if you go on for a month, okay, 30 days, right here, so you're gonna get $79 per day, and your total amount is gonna reach 2,400 bucks. Insane? No? Okay, let me take you a step ahead. If you go for 60 days, like 2 months, if this platform works, you see you're making $180 each day, and you've already made 5,600 bucks up till now. Isn't it insane? Okay, let's say you don't believe me, I'll take you to the day 90. Just look at what you have made. You are making 544 bucks per day, and you have $17,000 of investment that you can withdraw anytime, plus each day making 544 bucks. And the best part is the free script that is with me, and it's for free for anyone who wants to join. It's already been 36 days. Okay, I invested about $400 into it. Okay, it's been 36 days right here. Let me put in my $400 here and see how much I have made. Okay, so 36 days I have 1,204 bucks. Okay, and I am making every day I'm making $38. Every day making $38, and now I have made, my total amount is 1,204. And the best part, I can withdraw that anytime. So this is the free cheat sheet. You have a look, you just put in your investment amount, whatever your investment amount is. Let's suppose I go with 10,000 bucks. Okay, and just look at what you're making. After 30 days, after day 30, you have made around $24,000. Okay, and daily you're making $797. So day one you invest 10,000. After 3 months, each day you make 5,000 bucks. Okay. Day one you invest like $1,000, and after 3 months, every day you make $544. It's not combined. It is something you're making every day. If you want this cheat sheet, okay, what you can do is ask me over in the Telegram. I'll have it for you guys for free. You put in your amount and have a look at what you're making. These things is gonna go to the moon. I guess it's gonna go to the Mars, okay? And it has been there for 36 days. It's paying me fucking massive. It's paying me each and every day, that too instantly. No matter withdrawal is 500, no matter withdrawal is $1,000, it pays instantly. That is great. And if you want the cheat sheet, hop over to my Telegram and let me know we're there. So this was an update about this WORLDOTC thing. I hope you guys are into it. If you are not yet, you are not late, okay? You can still hop over. And for you guys, those who invest under me, I have something special. First, the free script. The second is I'm gonna give you a one-on-one correspondence. Whenever you need help, I'll be there for you. And the third thing, I have a step-by-step guide. If you need that, I have it for you. And what's more important is the fourth thing. If you invest more than $50, you're gonna get a 5% off on it. 5% off means you are not gonna have that fees that you deposit and withdraw. So that is it, guys. I hope that's enough for you to make you people understand the importance of what this platform really is. So I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of the important updates, tips and tricks that we share over here. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video in a new update. Till then, peace out.